Lemon, ginger, lime, cinnamon, and honey have long been touted as some of the best ingredients for weight loss and health benefits. All of these natural ingredients have unique properties that can help you reach your health goals. Lemon is a great source of vitamin C, which helps support the immune system and improves digestion. It also contains citric acid, which stimulates digestion, helping you break down and burn fat more easily. Drinking lemon juice before meals can help you feel full sooner and reduce cravings. Ginger is an excellent source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. It helps improve digestion and metabolism, which can lead to weight loss. It can also help reduce nausea, indigestion, and bloating. Lime is a great source of vitamin C, calcium, and potassium. It helps stimulate digestion and can reduce bloating and water retention. It can also help reduce your appetite and help you stay fuller for longer. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels, which can help reduce cravings and promote weight loss. It also helps reduce inflammation in the body and can boost your metabolism. Finally, honey is a great source of energy that can help reduce fatigue and regulate blood sugar levels. It also contains antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and keep your immune system strong. Overall, lemon, ginger, lime, cinnamon, and honey are all excellent ingredients for weight loss and health benefits. They all contain natural compounds that can boost your metabolism and help you reach your health goals. By incorporating these ingredients into your diet, you can enjoy the benefits of these natural ingredients and help you reach your health goals. Please subscribe and hit that bell for more videos to come.